In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Google Wallet application not working. So if the app is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But sometimes there can be bugs in the application itself. In order to fix it, what you have to do is update the app, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar and simply search for Google Wallet. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Google Wallet and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the app will be updated. After that, all the bugs will be fixed and the application should start working. If the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Now find the application for Google Wallet. If you do not find it, you can simply search for it. After you do that, long press on the Google Wallet application and tap on this option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Google Wallet. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. After you do that, tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, try using the application and it should work. But sometimes there can be some temporary software glitches in the device itself. So what you have to do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, simply try using the Google Wallet app. Now your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Google Wallet app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.